Hey guys, William Saunders here, the co-founder of Print My ATM, and let's go ahead and go over our monthly performance report for the month of August 2015. Alright guys, so for upcoming changes, okay, we haven't forgotten about the financial aid. That's still pending, but we have our team working on it along with the group shares dashboard. Alright, so now we're allowing you guys to actually use monthly tuition buyouts. Okay, so this only works for you guys that are paying the tuition monthly. So once you hit your 90-day range, okay, if you guys wanted to go ahead and contact support and to send in an offer to see how you can go ahead and just clear off the remaining balance of your tuition, kind of like a bulk sum, instead of just paying monthly and monthly, or just basically looking to upgrade to the next level, then you guys would basically be allowed to do so, okay, with no complications. All right, okay, so let's go ahead and welcome a few students to the six-figure club. So I would like to welcome Maurice from Intermediate. I would also like to welcome Karen J, Robin M, James R, and Lawrence W from Advance. All right, so once again, congratulations to you guys, and hopefully we can see you guys once you reach the seven-figure ranks. Alright, so for student spotlights, I've definitely paid a lot of attention to you, Roger J. You're on our basic tuition level, but you're definitely performing as if you're on our advanced tuition. Welcome aboard, Rodney Jr. I do believe you're very determined. You're going to really allow this community to actually be very life-changing for you, okay? And for those of you that don't know Dev, guys, get in contact with Dev. I just got an awesome astrology reading done with him, so about 98% accurate. So it's kind of like having your own life coach. So he does an outstanding job. We're actually looking into bringing his service within the community itself. So get in contact with Dev and see if you guys can actually get a reading when he's actually available. All right, Jose, I've been reaching out to you, bud. Get back with me. Let me know how things going. I know you've been driving a truck and everything like that, so you've been trading more from your phone. So I would like to get an update from you. Natasha P, congratulations on getting your lifetime tuition activated. All right, so with that in mind, let's go ahead and move over to our next session of this, which are the numbers. All right, before we go ahead and move through this section, guys, just as a quick disclaimer, results that you may see here, guys, is just for demonstrational purposes only, okay? It's just to show you guys basically the power of proper trading education and pretty much trading in general. Okay, so your results may vary depending on how much you guys actually have in your trading account, how well you're following the process, and no income is actually guaranteed. However, we can ensure certain results as long as you guys are following the process. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, with my trades, guys, I mean, the market has really just been not even choppy, but just changing directions. So I'll probably do a pending order and then it'll hit my stop and go the opposite direction. So most of the time I have on average right around 2 or 3 analysis. I'm pretty sure that my first analysis usually is correct about 80–90% of the time. If that analysis actually doesn't go through, then I'll take on the opportunity of my second analysis. Okay, so in this situation, a lot of my trades have been pinning orders, so my stop's been getting hit break even, or probably my stop would actually get hit in this case, as you guys can see here, and I just wasn't able to trade my second analysis. Okay, so basically coming in with the first week, my stop got hit pretty much the first 4 days, and then Friday I had a really good day at 85 pips, so balanced out for that week. 54 pips up, 21.60% gain. The second week, not so much. I had a slight downfall of 9 pips, so down 3.60 pips. Tuesday was pretty good. Really got hit on the 12th here with 32 pips. Normally my stop ranges are right around 20 pips, so this was probably extended due to that pending contract and really got hit on that day. The third week, you know, still slightly down, still just been hitting my stop and everything like that. This was closed in, so got hit there, down 6%. And then more towards the fourth week, I had really a couple good days. I was able to just really focus in and just make sure I'm able to trade those days, and ended up pulling up 200 pips within that week alone. Now, I actually went in to trade on the 31st, but you know, it's just minor profit that I didn't had added onto here. But I mean, that day alone was like a 500 pip day that I actually missed out. So I got stopped at like I believe 20 pips gain or something like that. So that's not included in this report. So with that being said, I did wish those were one of the days I actually could stay and just kind of monitor it. because this would have been like a 700 pip week here for week 4. All right. So basically for the month of August, guys, I still walked out with 230 pips, just shy of the 250 to 500 pip goal. According to my trading schedule, guys, it was still a little over 3,000 pips available. Okay, and once again, this is just one asset I'm trading. This is also the trading schedule of me going from 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time till about 3 p.m. Now, of course, I cannot do that. I do manage a company as well. I'm very active with my family, so my trading is more of a part-time scenario. Okay, now there's a couple things I can do to increase the pips, which is just making sure I'm able to just kind of cut it slam and trade more schedules. Right now I've been trading mostly the USA session, so probably what I'll have to do is come in a couple hours for London session and take some trades from there. Asian session I don't trade too much. I don't think it's necessary. As I can see here, this is basically just trading London session and USA session with my current trading schedule. Okay, so got a 92% increase, which is still good, but it's not the best that we can actually perform at right now. So very much looking forward to September really just being, you know, a huge trading month. So the goal is really just to get right around 500 to 1500 pips, as long as it's still performing right around, you know, 3,000 pips, 4,000 pips with the trading schedule. You know, I don't see no reason why that shouldn't be happening for the month of September. Okay. Also, once we're able to, you know, pull a couple of those months out where we're really hitting that 1,000 pip months, that's when we're going to begin to open up the group share bonuses for you guys as well. All right. Okay, so we got intermediate results here, guys. Basically, once again, this is our students as a collective whole. Okay, and this are the students that are actually sitting in their portfolio, which we know all of you guys pretty much don't do. These are also long-term trades, so no short-term trades going in this report. Okay, so primarily using the 5-day breakout, using the 80-20 analysis, and kind of that type of thing. So no short-term trades here, guys. So for portfolio number 32, we can see they had 252 wins, 117 losses, $324,750 of pure profit. For portfolio 33, we got 335 wins, 106 losses, a little over $379,000 worth of profit. For the month of August, our intermediate students as a whole, once again, a collective, okay, has had 587 wins, 223 losses, grand profit total of $704,000. Okay. All right, so advanced guys get 4 portfolio analysis within a month. We just pretty much document 3 from you. Once again, it's all the students as a whole, the students that are actually sending in their portfolios. This is not including the students that are actually trading Forex. This is not including the students that are actually using our Forex signals as well. Okay, so for portfolio number 49, we can see they've gotten 293 wins, 68 losses, grand profit of $366,750. Portfolio 50, 400 wins, 70 losses, $478,000 of profit. Portfolio 51, 405 wins, 72 losses, $488,250 of pure profit. Okay, so when we go ahead and add all of these together, guys, we get our grand monthly total for the month of August for our advanced students. Okay, and they've taken 1,098 wins, 210 losses, $1.333 million worth of profit. Okay, so keep in mind this is long term, more than likely using the Alva system as a collective whole. All right, so when we go ahead and take their wins, losses, and profit, let's do the same thing for our intermediate students. Wins, losses, and profit, we get our grand monthly total. So for the month of August, guys, we've gotten 1,685 wins, 433 losses, a grand profit for the month of August, a little over $2 million, and this is actually a record-breaking month, so congratulations to you guys. All right, so I really believe that this success has really come from the increased volume of students that we've had recently. Also, you guys that are just really paying attention to process in regards to following everything 100% of the time, attending the trading sessions, make sure you guys are actually getting your quizzes and everything completed, so forth and so on. So once again, congratulations to all of you guys, okay? Now for our active students that's not getting the kind of results that they want, just keep in mind guys, the ones that are actually getting the results, you know, they're putting the time in to learn the material, to take the quizzes and do everything in that nature. Make sure if you guys don't actually understand something to submit in a support ticket so we can get your questions kind of answered. But for the most part, you guys are all pretty much rocking it to where it's just above average, or you guys are really just showing some superstar talents. For those of you that are actually looking into our community or new to trading in general, or maybe you have some trading experience but you're trying to see exactly what we have to offer, we have plenty of tools and resources here for you guys. So the first thing I would definitely recommend is filling out the contact form on our homepage so you guys can get access to our daily trades, which are free signals, and also our free video course series. And if you had any questions, you guys can always check out FAQ section and also fill out the contact form on our homepage, okay? Be sure to keep up with us guys in our social media platforms, youtube.com/printmyatm, facebook.com/printmyatm, and of course you guys can always visit us at printmyuniversity.com for further details. Alright, so keep up the good work again guys. I wish everyone much success and of course, happy trading. Hey traders, William here, and I got 3 important questions for you. Number 1, do you have a profitable trading coach or mentor? Number 2, are you getting 50 to 500 pips per day? And number 3, are you satisfied with your trading results? If you can answer 2 out of 3 of the questions with an yes, then congratulations my friend. But if not, then we're about to change the game for you. And it doesn't matter if you guys are trading binary options, forex, or futures, because we can do it all and we have it all. Top of the line trading signals, monthly group shares, and complete market domination. Check out our free video course series and our daily trade analysis to see for yourselves.